sunshine. Welcome back to another video. This is the second video of the series of swapping the rooms. Now I'm gonna do this little ones right here. I have a mess. Let me show you guys now. So this is what I have right now. We went for the furniture on Friday, right? I have all this furniture that we have to open it and we have to get it ready to put it into Ivan's room. This is what we have. There is the bunk beds. The stairs are in the garage. And here is the two beds and the bunk beds. All right, sunshine, let's start by opening the boxes out in the living room. That way we can just take the furniture pieces into the room. This has been a really long process since we've bought our furniture, a little bit over a month. That's why it took me a little bit longer than I expected, since some of our furniture were missing when we went and picked it up, and then when the technician went into the house and dropped off the other pieces, they were still missing other pieces. And yeah, it's been a struggle with all this furniture, but I am happy that we finally got everything and that I am able to show you guys the results. But I did start at the beginning by building the bunk beds for Martin and Ivan, and I did clean up the room, and you are going to see me with different outfits, since like I said, it took me more than I expected because we were missing furniture. And that's why you're gonna see me with different clothing. So I started by cleaning up the bedroom. We didn't have no beds in there, since remember with our last video we did switch the bed that was in this room to the other bedroom. I will link that video up in the iCard and down below so you could go check it out. And that's why we don't have a bed in here. So I am going to be cleaning it out. Ivan is helping me with the baseboard, and Martin was helping also. And that's why we have different furniture in here, since on this room Ivan and Martin will be sharing their room, and that's why we have both of their dressers in this room. At the beginning they decided to move the drawer onto the other wall. They made the decision on where they want the bed, and that's what we did. We were excited at the beginning. We thought we were going to be able to finish it on that day, but because we were missing the furniture, we weren't able to. Now, we did have the stairs and we left them in the garage because they were really heavy. At least that's what we thought. When we opened the box, it was a little bit easier when we took it upstairs. The only problem that we had, we were having struggle on the turning side of the stairs, but Xavier was helping me, and that made it a little bit easier. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ana Moran. I am a mama of 4 boys. I do cleaning motivational videos, lifestyle videos on this channel. If you love this type of videos, I will really suggest that you subscribe to my channel, and if you are liking this video so far, give it a thumbs up. That would actually help me a lot on my video, and I would really love it if you hit that subscribe buttons, and that way you could be part of my family. This was the part that we found out that we were missing parts of the bed. I did build the bottom part of it, and we were missing the top. Now, I will have to say that it was really easy to build. The stairs were built in already, so we didn't have to build those. And for the bed, we all had to do was just to put the wheels and then attach it, both of the rails, to like the headboard and the feet side, like the end of the bed. So it was really easy to build. We didn't have a struggle, but again, we were missing the other top part, and that was a bummer. Now for Oscar's bed, it was a different bed that we chose, and it was the wrong size, so we had to switch that bed for a different one, and that's why it's built up already, because we had the technician coming into the house to bring the top part of this bunk beds, and so they did end up building this bed for Oscar. So that's why it's built already, because they did it for us, and in here they were building the top part of the bunk beds. For Oscar and Xavier, we didn't bought any mattress since we had these ones. They are really old, and we are thinking on switching those mattresses, but for now they will just have to stay with those until probably next year. And another thing that they didn't do, it was to put those rails on top of the bed. They just left them like that, so Edgar had to help us out, and he screwed those down. Out of this whole process of switching the rooms and building new furnitures, this was my favorite part of all. It was so satisfying watching this mattress inflating like nothing. It's so crazy how they have it rolled up, and then when you take the wrapper off, literally the mattress will just inflate. Now Ivan couldn't wait to sleep in here, and so that's what they did. We had to wait a whole week until we got the other part, and they start sleeping in here, and that's why the rooms are like this. They were a mess when they came and built in the other bottom part. Edgar opened the other mattress, and they started sleeping just like that without even cleaning it. And then Oscar the same, he just started sleeping in here. Since they are in vacations, they have those rooms like crazy. They don't believe on making the beds in the morning. They said that why doing the bed if they are gonna mess it up in the night again. I did bought them new sets for their bunk beds. I actually did that for all of their rooms, even though the other ones didn't need them because we had some. But for the bunk beds, we really need them because we didn't have any sheets or anything that they were like the size of a twin size. So that's what we did. I am just doing the top part. I'm not gonna lie, this is a struggle. This is my first time having a bunk bed, and for me to be able to put that sheet on the bottom, it was a struggle. I literally had to pick up the mattress up in order for me to put the sheet down. And I know that is going to be really hard for Ivan, but I will be here helping him. If you have any tips on how to do the top part or how to fold the sheets, let me know in the comments down below. Save me from myself. I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. All I really ever wondered is if I really going under. These were the bullets that we popped in our last video on our vlog channel. I'm gonna link it down below so you can go check it out. It was really funny. We had a blast doing that. All I'm doing in here is just cleaning the drawers on the top. They were really dusty because, trust me, even though they did clean the baseboard and like the fan, we have a lot of dust, especially with the carpet. I hate having carpet, but I mean, there's nothing I can do for now. And all I'm using to dust off all the dirt and clean up the drawers, the top of the drawers, it's the Method Anti-Bat, the all-purpose cleaner, the Citron. I love that scent. My kids hate it. They think that it's really strong. Ivan's PC in his room now. I've been having really rough time with it because I did build him this PC, and I don't know what I did that the internet doesn't work. It doesn't want to be wireless, even though I bought 2 cards already. If you know anything about that, let me know, and to see what I can do to fix it, because he is not able to use that PC without any connection that is connected to the router. For Oscar's room, there was not that much to do with it. All I had to do was just to do his bed and clean up all the drawers and vacuum. But he did had a few things on the floor and trash and clothes. The reason we are doing this swapping of the rooms, it's because my sister is living with me, and if you seen the last video, I did set it in there that she is living with us, so she's using the bigger room right now, and so Oscar really wanted this little one. He is happy with the little room, so I am extremely happy that they don't complain and that I do have Martin and Ivan sharing rooms. All of the frames that he has around this room, they don't have pictures because I haven't printed them out. I actually don't have any pictures out on the walls because I've been working on that and I have so many ideas, but I just haven't had the time to do it. I do want to do a wall up in the stairs, kind of like a gallery wall. Let me know if you want to see that, and I am working on that. I did bought a few frames already and try to put a few pictures of the family, including like my sister's family and my husband's families, like siblings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. After all this struggle with the furniture, the kids are extremely happy that the beds are done and that their rooms are clean. I hope that you find yourself a little bit of motivation with this. And also, if you would love to be part of my family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That would actually make me so happy. I would love to have you in here. And don't forget to follow me up on Instagram. I do post in there daily. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.